What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Yes, it's been too long. Yes, I haven't been making any videos. No, I'm not dead. And no, I didn't die on a mini bike. I appreciate all the people who've been reaching out and asking me when I'm going to make another videos. I am just super busy and just haven't been able to get around to it. A viewer did make me this cool sign. Thank you very much, Harold. Very cool. Since we have 218 subscribers now, I want to give away something. I feel like, Mike's Visions was not supposed to. I'm just blown away that I have so many subscribers. Honestly, this was just set up for coworkers of mine who are like, Mike, what do you do on your free time? The mini bikes came up, and now there's 218 subscribers, and I'm just blown away by that. I'm going to do a quick video tonight on how to fix a broken mini bike. But before we do that, I am going to take this piece of paper right here. I am going to write down a number between 1 and 218. I want you guys all down in the comments, write a number down. And whoever gets the spot on or closest, and I've written the number down, and it is written down. So I've written the number down. On the next video, if I see who's gotten the closest to it, I will tag you, and you can send me an email with your address, and I will send you this Mike's Visions giveaway kit, I guess we'll call it. Okay. So basically what I want to do is I want to give away a kit of all the important things that I think that everybody needs to start a mini bike. Or, build or whatever. I think that everybody should get a kickstand with the bracket. It's a very nice kickstand. Super easy to install. We'll put that into the bag. I am a huge fan of these radiator hose clamps, whatever you guys want to call them, sorted. I believe everybody should have those. Okay, let's go with one of these Gambler mini bike coins that I had made. Yes, these things are cool. All brass, very neat. Okay, let's give you a brand new NGK R spark plug. The R is for race. Inside joke between me and some friends. But yes, here it is, brand spanking new. I believe every mini bike should have these spark plugs. Big fan of these. Okay, one of my very own homemade freaking spark plug boot and the wire that goes in, because I hate the spark plug wires that are on the mini bikes. This is Mike's Vision one. If you guys like these very much, I will make you one, and I do sell these. I will sell you one, but this one is going in here. Okay, push rods and 22-pound valve springs. Okay, let's go with some very nice rockers. Champion rockers. These things are really cool with the stud kit on them too. We'll put this guy in here too. I think these are awesome. Put this in the kit too. So now you basically have an upgraded kit. These were my prototype. They're for your axle, your rear axles to adjust. I made these. I did put these on my bike before, and they work flawlessly. These things are awesome. Now I'm gonna hold on to these. I can't let these go. Okay, and because I think everybody needs a spare hand, that is gonna go into the kit too. Giveaway. And then we can't do any kind of giveaway without a big giant stack of stickers. So there you have it. Pick your number, put it on there. Let's get it going. Maybe you guys can win it. Maybe nobody will. But cool. All right, let's get started on the video. All right, guys. Before we get started, a lot of you guys have been talking about my CT200U, how I had my bracket upside down. Yes, I did. I swapped it around, so you guys can freaking lay off of me now. I do still have the freaking fender for it, so you guys can freaking leave me alone about this, and I will get this back on here so that you guys will freaking stop complaining to me about these being upside down and the fender missing. There, I have it. All right, for you guys who are new to the channel, this right here is my original mini bike. I've expanded, as you can see, to bigger, but this one's probably still is the fastest one that I have. So let's say you go to a garage sale or an estate sale and you buy a mini bike that doesn't run. My bike doesn't run right now. I think I know what's wrong with it. I'm about 90% sure what's wrong with it, but anytime you get into these little mini bikes, you need 4 things to make these things run: fuel, air, spark, and compression. You have all 4 of those, this thing will run. I just want to do a quick video real quick on what to look for when you're buying these, and my next video we'll start tearing it apart and we'll start diagnosing it of those 4 elements. So the first thing you always want to do is look for any major leaks or anything like that. This one does have major leaks. Oh, okay, perfect. What kind of parts are on this bike? I haven't cleaned this carburetor since I came back from Oregon. I haven't really ridden this mini bike since I've came back from Oregon. So, I mean, you can tell it's been a minute. But anyways, yes, that is not the stock carburetor. This is not the stock exhaust on this. That is not the stock valve cover. There is no jack shaft over here. There is a torque converter, and that is not the stock clutch that comes with the torque converter. It's got some breather tubes. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the spark plug wire. That is not stock either. One of you lucky guys are going to be winning one of these. Hopefully it goes to a really good home. A lot of fun. I do enjoy them. A lot of times people like me will put tachometers onto them. That is not stock. These hand grips, these are not stock. Obviously, if you ask them what kind of mini bike this is, and they tell you it's a CT200, they do not come with front suspensions. It's actually my wife's. This is a typical CT 200U. Hers has a light kit on it. That is a stock carburetor. This has a stage 1 kit on it. Hers has that ugly freaking spark plug wire that I hate on it. Stock valve cover. This is not a Hemi. This is not the stock exhaust pipe. Nor does hers have a jack shaft. She has a torque converter now. Let's go over on the air filter. That is not stock either. Now, here's my camo bike. And this one's practically all stock. Besides the foot pegs. Oh, Christy's bike has stock foot pegs on it, and hers has the racks. But it does have a lot of work done to this with the lighting kit. Anyways, that is your stock jack shaft. That is your stock exhaust. You can see a big difference in stock and not stock, how high they sit. These are not the stock handlebars on this one either, or grips, nor does hers have the stock grips. But anyways, back to this guy. So yeah, you bought this guy. The other thing you always want to look for too is the tires on them. These are not the stock tires. So yeah. So check back. Let's do another video of breaking down the 4 elements to make an engine run. Until then, alrighty guys, have a good night. Alright guys, before we get started, a lot of you guys have been talking about my CT200U, how I had my bracket upside down. Yes, I did. I swapped it around. So you guys can freaking lay off of me now. I do still have the freaking fender for it. So you guys can freaking leave me alone about this. And I will get this back on here so that you guys will freaking stop complaining to me about these being upside down and the fender missing. There. I have it.